Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City, and I'm here to show you this new to us 2018 27 PE. It is a pre-owned unit, but clean as a whistle. I would never know it if I didn't see the numbers on the windshield. So come on in, I'll take you for a little tour. You may or may not have noticed that the door entry is behind the seats quite a ways. You've got a couch here, and a lot of people like that because it makes loading the groceries into your kitchen much easier. Up in front you'll see two nicely sized seats for the driver and passenger. You don't have to worry about anyone having to climb around you or having to climb around the chair to get in. Nice little appointments. You've got automatic levelers in here. You've got an overhead bed in this unit. This coach will easily sleep 6 to 8 people. It shouldn't be a problem, and no one will have to be on the floor. The fabrics they used in this 18 are just gorgeous and neutral enough for you to add your color, your taste, whatever you're into. And the kitchen is perfect for lots of counter space for that coffee maker, 3-burner stove, and great cabinetry with lots of deep storage. We've got the microwave that's not convection because this does have the propane oven. We've got your 8 cubic foot refrigerator, your control center with your tank buttons, your pantries, and this awesome king-size bed in a 27-foot motorhome. That's, I think, is the show stealer right there. It's a slide-out bed, so this does fold up and come in over this surface here. You've got a really nice foam mattress too. It's not a spring mattress. And in the corner, you've got a very nicely sized and appointed bathroom. A fantastic fan in the bathroom that really helps with getting the moisture out of the air in there. And a good sized clothing closet with 2 drawers. Great little unit and priced to sell. We need to sell this, so I'll come outside and show you the exterior, and hopefully you'll come see me and I'll take you on a test drive. Come on out. Lots of storage pockets. And this is your propane tank on the side here. Gives you less access to it to get your stove put on out here without having to drag anything underneath. Undercoach storage that goes all the way through and to the other side. You've got a rear ladder for roof access and a rear view camera. This is nice because your bedroom slide is high enough. You're not going to have to bend over too much to see your generator, your gas tank, your 30 amp cord, and just a small slide so you can actually reach without having to duck your head to get to the outside shower. What a nice cabinet for all of your water needs here. Another large storage cabinet. She's a great unit. I hope you'll come down and see me. My name's Teresa. Ask for me and we'll take it for a test drive. Hopefully you get here before somebody else does. Talk to you soon.